So, the king is back. We've got the Sony WH-1000XM4s. If you ever had the 3s, those were absolutely awesome. So this is what I'm saying, the king is back. For the next iteration, the XM4s. As ever, the links will be down in the description box below if you're after a pair. Now, if you're into your headphones, you may have already heard of these. These are Sony's wireless noise cancelling stereo headphones, or headsets as it says there. And it says industry leading there. Now, that's not just a sticker. The M3s were absolutely awesome for noise cancelling. Absolutely beautiful. Now, these are the M4s, so these should be even better. So, let's get these out the box. Trusty Batman knife here. And let's see if we can get this open. And, oh, like a matte finish to the box itself here. So, let's see. This should just slide out. Ooh, yes, it does. Nothing else in the box here. Now, incidentally, if you're wondering, just a couple of differences between these M4s and M3s. These are running Bluetooth 5.0 and you can pair multiple devices. Now, similar unboxing experience as the M3s. If you haven't seen those already, plenty of reading material. I'm just not going to do that. So, yeah, here we go. Nice and compact. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do a video to see what differences there are between these M4s and the M3s. And I've gone for the same color I did with the M3s. Look at these. If anything, these look a bit more creamier in real life and a little bit more bronzer maybe. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I've gone for a similar looking finish there instead of the silver that are on the M3s. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. Brilliant build quality. And look at that. So yeah, you've got the microphones on either side. Have you got the markers on either side of the ear cups there. Pretty thick material, soft for each one there. As it mentioned on the box there, Google Assistant and Alexa built in, 30 hours worth of playback and noise cancelling. I can't emphasize enough how good the noise cancelling is on the M3, so we'll try these out as well. Obviously, if you're not in a consistently noisy environment, then you might not notice much difference, but the headphones are absolutely awesome. So here we go. You've got a aeroplane adapter, so you don't have to use their own when you're out and about there. I don't know if anyone still uses these, to be fair. Doesn't everyone just use their mobile phones or iPads or whatever tablet they take on board, or your laptops or something? So 3.5 millimeters jacks here, so you can plug in, as you can see along the bottom there, and then use that same jack, or you can plug it into something else. You've got the USB Type A to USB Type C charging adapter. Very nice, small, handy. Keep your cables all in one go. And if you forget what the controls are, you can see along the right ear cup: call, pick up, fast forward, rewind, volume up and down, play, pause, all that good stuff. And you got the NFC chip along the left hand side there. So yeah, these headphones, similar unboxing experience as the M3s, and to be fair, on the face of it, they look exactly the same as the M3s with very, very little differences. But as I say, let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do a comparison video with the M3s to highlight exactly what's difference between these M4s and the previous outgoing M3s. And if you don't want to be forking out quite a lot of change for these bad boys, now's a good time to buy the M3s. I think they're around £270 here in the UK. So yeah, I can leave a link to those down in the description box below if you want a pair of those, as these are pretty expensive. I'm really excited to actually get on and play with these. So I just want to quickly go around and show you what some of the things, features, whatchamacallits are on these pair of active noise cancelling headphones. So you might be wondering, what's this little hole down here? Well, that's a proximity sensor. Oh, damn it. Someone's at the door. One sec. Whoa, so it's like Christmas today. I got Shredder turn up. So, as I was saying, going around these pairs of headphones, you've got a proximity sensor inside the left hand cup here. So basically this senses when you're not wearing the headphones, it will stop playing whatever it's playing. So that's pretty cool. It's going to save some battery and actually play only when you've physically got these bad boys on your head. So as you can see, they're pretty stretchy, they're well made, twisty things, absolutely awesome. You've got the red and left cups here, you've got the power button and the LED next to it. And I'm going to turn these on, see if there's any battery life next to them, and see if you can actually hear what it says, because I love this.
Power on.
We'll try that again. It said power on, Bluetooth pairing, and you can see the blue LED flashing. We'll try that again, see if you can hear it if I power it off now.
Power off.
I love that. I hope you heard that. I love that. Power on, power off. Very soft sound of a lady there, but yeah, absolutely awesome. So you got a custom button there for ambient sound controls and such like, and you've got a 3.5mm audio jack there. You got the NFC pairing along the left hand side cup, and you've got the active noise cancelling microphones on the tops of both of these cups even. And you might be wondering, what are these things here? These are also microphones for when you're on calls and such like, so you can pick up the sound of your mouth even better because they're more facing down. Okay, so along the left hand side cup here, you've got the USB type C connector there alongside that LED. Now originally when I had the Mark IIIs, I did wonder maybe this is a imperfection in the mold of this plastic, but it's not. These Mark IVs also have this tactile dot here. So yeah, here we go. The Mark IVs are in my hands. I'm so ready to pair these up and test out these bad boys. And yeah, very stretchy indeed. Awesome build quality. And yeah, if you haven't got a pair, check out these Mark IIIs or Mark IVs if you're working in noisy environments or listening to sound or music, videos, whatever in noisy environments. These active noise cancelling headphones, Mark IIIs, and I'll be testing out these M4s. I'm sure they're absolutely awesome. This is why the king is back.